You can spend $300 on boots, but if you wear cotton socks, you're guaranteed blisters. Here is the $20 gear science that actually works. Most beginners ruin their first hike by wearing standard cotton gym socks. Cotton absorbs sweat like a sponge, holding moisture against your skin and softening the tissue until it tears. To stop this, you need the right material chemistry. Merino wool regulates temperature and pulls moisture away, while synthetics provide the structure needed to prevent bunching inside the boot. Don't just buy the thickest sock you can find. Cushion changes your boot fit. Use light cushion for trail runners in summer to maximize breathability, and save heavy cushion for winter or rigid boots. Understanding the blister equation is critical for long-distance safety. High-quality socks eliminate the moisture variable, which keeps the heat down and significantly raises your skin's tolerance to friction. If you are prone to hot spots, use the two-sock system, a thin synthetic liner underneath your main wool sock. This forces the friction to happen between the two socks, rather than against your skin. Finally, ensure your sock is taller than your boot collar to prevent debris and rubbing. Spending $20 on one good pair prevents $200 worth of medical misery on the trail. Invest in your feet first. The trail is unforgiving to cotton.